Hello good people, this is Nes Mboro, niko hapa Thika Town. I know a lot of you guys are used to me saying niko hapa Kitengela, but this time round I actually came to Thika Town to construct a house for one of our clients and one of our loyal followers. So I've been getting a lot of inboxes, watu wakiniuliza, Nes, we love your gated communities, we love the way you guys build, but do you guys build for clients when you already wako na shamba zao? And this time round I just want to answer that question in a very simple manner. Yes, we actually construct houses for our clients in their own land. So kama uko na shamba Juja, Joska, Kamulu, Mala, na unataka kujengewa, just give me a call. We'll actually build you a very good house. Na kama unataka hata kuona some examples of the houses that we build, I'll take you for a site visit in Kitengela. You get to see our gated communities. Na kutoka hapo we think about how we're going to construct you a house. My number is there on the screen and I'll be uploading more of these videos until hii nyumba yenye mnaona tunaanzia saa hii iishe. So subscribe, like, share and keep on watching. Thank you so much. If you have a question, just call me directly on my number. Thank you.